Hey! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, just access Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, choose Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your HONOR's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!